Welcome back to another episode of Smash Engineering. Today we're working on a 2001 Chevy Silverado. It sat for a little while, so I took it for a ride. There was some smoke billowing out from what I thought was under the hood. Ended up being the front driver's caliper was locking up. When I got out and tested both sides with my finger, they were both super hot. So we're going to go ahead and do a video on how to swap those for you, just in case you don't know, and also how to bleed them. Let's go ahead and get started.
Smash Engineering.
You need to know that I'm a rider. Tonight we gonna
Okay, well, it happens to everyone, but instead of just editing out my mistake, I'm going to show you. I forgot to put these bad boys in. So, yeah. Got to take the caliper back off. Not a huge deal, I just got to take it back off and put those brackets in there. But, you know, got in a hurry, wanting to record some stuff, wanting to get this done quick. And always pay attention, people. Make sure that you're being safe. Always torque things if it has a torque spec. I know the funny Gudentite is all good and dandy, but when it comes to your brakes, your suspension, these things have to work under extreme conditions. No matter what happens, your brakes have to stop you. A little kid runs out in front of you, a dog, anything, you have to be able to stop. So I can't stress it enough. Pay attention when you're doing the brakes. I was just doing my check over on this and I'm like, man, this ain't right, something's wrong. I looked in the box and these were underneath the paper that's in the box. So almost slipped up there, but you got to be vigilant.
Alright, well this is going to wrap up the passenger side as far as installation goes. Make sure if you are one of those people who torque things, please torque it. I recommend torquing everything. There's a torque spec for a reason. Now I know a lot of people like to use the adage, like I said, Gudentite, and that does work a lot of the time, but suspension and brake components, please just err on the safe side of things. Now I'm bleeding the brakes. This is the farthest one that I opened from the master cylinder, so I'm bleeding this one first. And I like to go until I get, for one, if the fluid's dirty, I like to go until I get clear fluid. And other than that, you make sure that there's no bubbles. I usually bleed it 2-3 times after I get no bubbles, just to make sure. And then check your level, make sure you don't let your level go too low, otherwise you'll be pumping air into your brake lines. So I always like to stop and check it. But yeah, so I'm going to put the tires back on. Thanks for watching. If you got any comments, throw those in the comment section. I do read every single one. If you like what you're seeing, throw a like up there. If you want to subscribe for more, subscribe for more. More videos to come as I can get the content out. It's been busy here, and just trying to keep vehicles on the road for people. And this is my personal vehicle here, so just keep that Smash 3 in your mind. Make sure that when you're working on something that you check that you got all your brackets, you got everything that's supposed to be on there. I almost slipped up here, and that's why I wanted to leave it in here and show you instead of just move along like I didn't do it. I believe in transparency, so just wanted to make sure that we slow down. Everyone's safety is involved when you're out on the road, so it's not just you, it's not just you and your family, it's other people and other people's families and dogs and their property, and everything's involved. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.